Welcome to Money Mode, the channel that makes money talk less confusing and way more useful. Let's get into it. Picture this. You're 25, healthy, and feeling invincible. Insurance is the last thing on your mind. But here's a question that could save you thousands of dollars, and maybe your family's future. When should you actually start caring about life insurance and health insurance? Let's break down the difference first. Health insurance covers your medical bills, doctor visits, surgeries, hospital stays, and medications. It protects your wallet from the unpredictable cost of getting sick or injured. Life insurance, on the other hand, doesn't protect you. It protects the people who depend on you financially. If you pass away, it pays a lump sum to your beneficiaries, covering things like debt, funeral costs, or your family's living expenses. Now, here's the part most young people miss. Age is your biggest financial advantage when buying insurance. Premiums are calculated based on risk, and risk rises with age and health issues. A 25-year-old in good health can lock in dramatically lower rates than someone starting the exact same policy at 40. Waiting doesn't just cost you money. It can cost you eligibility altogether if a health condition develops in the meantime, since insurers may charge more or deny coverage once you're no longer considered low risk. Let's talk health insurance first, because honestly, almost everyone needs it, regardless of age. Many young adults age out of a parent's health plan in their early 20s and suddenly find themselves uninsured without realizing it. Accidents don't check your calendar. A single emergency room visit, a broken bone, or an unexpected diagnosis can wipe out years of savings in one hospital stay. Even if you're healthy today, a policy purchased young locks in lower premiums and avoids the medical underwriting problems that come with pre-existing conditions later in life. Life insurance is a little different. It depends on whether anyone relies on you financially. If you're single, with no dependents and no debt, you may not need a large policy yet. But if you have student loans co-signed by a parent, a spouse, children, or aging parents who depend on your income, life insurance isn't optional. It's protection for the people you love. There are two common types worth knowing. Term life, which covers a set number of years and is usually the most affordable option, and whole life, which lasts your entire lifetime and includes a savings component but comes at a much higher monthly cost. Here's a common myth. I'm young and healthy, so I don't need insurance yet. That mindset feels safe until the moment it isn't. Health issues and accidents are unpredictable by definition, and they rarely wait for a convenient time. The best time to buy insurance is before you need it, not after. And because premiums lock in early, the version of you starting today is buying protection at the cheapest price you will ever see for the rest of your life. Let's put this in perspective with a simple comparison. A healthy 25-year-old might lock in a basic term life policy for a fraction of what the same coverage would cost a 40-year-old, simply because the risk profile is lower. That gap only widens with age, and it widens even faster if health problems appear along the way. The math rewards starting early, not starting big. Think of it less as an expense and more like locking in a discount that only gets more expensive the longer you wait to claim it. So how do you actually decide? Start with health insurance. It's close to universal. Everyone benefits from protection against medical costs, whether through an employer plan, a marketplace policy, or coverage through family. For life insurance, ask yourself one honest question. If something happened to me tomorrow, would anyone struggle financially because of my absence? If the answer is yes, even a basic term life policy can offer real peace of mind at a surprisingly low monthly cost. The bottom line? Insurance isn't about expecting the worst. It's about making sure the unexpected doesn't turn into a financial disaster for you or the people you care about. Being young isn't a reason to skip insurance. It's actually the smartest, cheapest time to lock it in, before age, health changes, or life circumstances raise the price of protection. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or insurance advice. Always consult a licensed financial or insurance professional before making decisions based on your personal situation. If this helped you understand insurance a little better, hit like, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more finance explainers that make money simple.